Fender and Teufel ROCKSTER CROSS review. Big sound, bold design, and party-ready power. Built for impact, the Fender and Teufel ROCKSTER CROSS delivers louder volume, deeper bass, and a stage-style design for outdoor events. Blending Fender heritage and Teufel's 45-year audio expertise, months of real-world testing showed how it performs and who it suits best. The heavy-duty portable Bluetooth speaker is aptX splash-proof and features 2 tweeters, 1 woofer, and 2 passive radiators. It offers up to 16 hours of battery life, Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX, built-in power bank and speakerphone, on-speaker controls, weighs 5.3 pounds, measures 15 by 6.3 by 5.1 inches, and has a $249.99 MSRP, often discounted to about $199.99. The ROCKSTER CROSS gets loud quickly, easily filling outdoor spaces without distortion while maintaining clarity at high volumes. Dual tweeters keep highs crisp, and the woofer with passive radiators delivers controlled bass across genres. Indoors, it provides balanced, room-filling sound in large spaces, staying polished at moderate levels and composed even when pushed louder. At 5.3 pounds, the ROCKSTER CROSS is portable but not lightweight, though the Fender guitar strap makes carrying easier and stylish. Its amp-inspired design, branded details, and included guitar pick add flair, while the IPX5 rating protects against splashes and light rain but not submersion. The ROCKSTER CROSS produces bold, confident sound with punchy bass, warm mids for clear vocals and guitars, crisp highs even at volume, and solid stereo width. It sounds balanced out of the box, and despite lacking app EQ control, factory tuning suits most listening. Bluetooth 5.0 and aptX provide stable, high-quality streaming, while dual-device pairing lets 2 phones switch playlists easily. A built-in power bank charges devices outdoors, and the speakerphone works for quick calls, though it's secondary.
Go to GearBrain for more information.